Hello Fly Babies, it's me FlyLady Kat and I'm here today to give you peace in your life, control in your home, and to help you learn how to finally love yourself. It is rainy and dark outside, so it looks a little watery in this light, and I apologize, but let's get on to what we have to get on to. And that is that today is Saturday, and if you are a fly baby who stays at home, you're an at-home fly baby, you've got a 2-layer cake. If you're a payroll fly baby, you might have a 3-layer cake. Let's look and see. If you're an at-home fly baby, you're going to get up this morning and do your morning routine. You're going to put your children through their morning routine. That's part of your routines, first level. The other things you're going to do for routines today are you're going to check your paper, go through an inch of it. You don't have to do laundry because you did it all week. And later on, you're going to do your after dinner routine and your before bed routine. That's all the first layer of your cake. Second layer of your cake is it is family fun day. So do something for fun. Okay, if you're a payroll fly baby, depending on your schedule during the week and how you got things together in your planner, you may have disciplined yourself during the week if you had enough time to do all the things that I ask you to do every day. But if you didn't, that's okay. This is your life. This is you're in control. If you're unhappy with it, then you might want to consider some of the things I'm asking you to do during the week if you have time. But if you don't have time, I don't want you to be judgmental with yourself. There is no perfect, okay? We're just going to do the best we can do. So on Saturday, you might have a 3-layer cake. Your first layer is your routines, the same routines that we just talked about, except you'll probably have to add laundry if you didn't get some laundry done during the week. So you'll have 5 routines: morning routine, laundry, paper, after dinner routine, before bed routine. Normal things, nothing to worry about, not hard. Okay, the second thing is going to be your basic weekly plan. What items did you not get done this week? What items? Because we're in zone 2, the kitchen. Did you get a chance to work 4 times in your kitchen this week? Well, if you did get a chance to work in it once, then you only have 3 things to do in your kitchen. If you got to work in it twice, 2 things. If you got to work in it 3 times, only 1 thing left to do. Depending on if it's decluttering or it's doing a deep clean, decluttering is 15 minutes per section, or 15 minutes a day. So if you're doing 3 days equals 45 minutes of decluttering. I know that's a lot, but you can do it because slowly but surely you're getting your house decluttered. So if you haven't done any decluttering and it's all cluttered in your kitchen, you're going to do an hour of decluttering. That's what you're going to do first thing. And then you're going to jump into, that's the zone. Then you're going to go into your basic weekly plan. So did you get your weekly home blessing done this week? If not, that's an hour. If you have a family, you can split it up and it won't be an hour. It'll be a half hour if you're doing half of it, or 10 minutes for 6 people doing each thing, or whatever. Just get that done. So possibly you have 2 hours, as much as 2 hours of work, okay? Next thing is, did you get your errands done? Did you get your groceries purchased? Did you run your errands? This is Christmas, and I know Saturday's a really hard time to go shopping. Hopefully you were doing some things online, which is helpful. If not, you are going to have to go out and get some Christmas shopping done, possibly today or tomorrow. So consider having everything else done first, because the frustration you're going to feel when you get out there and you get in the traffic and you can't even get to where you want to go, or when you get there, there's no parking, knowing you still have to do your zones and your laundry and, you know, pay your bills, that kind of thing is going to just drive you mad. So get those things done first and then go shopping, okay? And do it on Saturday. And then if you can't finish it, you can finish it on Sunday, hopefully, or you can get some good deals on Amazon and get it mailed to you before Christmas. Okay. Next thing we're going to talk about is, did you get your bills paid? Did you go through your budget? Did you make a grocery list? Those kind of things. So you may have a couple of hours of work to do, and I hope you don't. But if you do, you do. At least it's not 6 hours, right? Okay, and then I do want you to take a little time with the family today to enjoy this family you've created, okay? This family you have established with your spouse and with God's help. right? All right, next, let's plan out for tomorrow. So we're going to do our before bed routine, get our planner, the most wonderful time of the year. Get our planner and make sure you plan for tomorrow. Tomorrow is Renew Your Spirit Day. So you want to make sure that you coach yourself up for that, because I know it's hard when you're tired and you feel like you don't have enough time to go to church, but it's the most important thing that you'll do all week. All right, that's it for today. I hope you have a fabulous day, and I want you to remember that you are beautiful.